Hey folks, it's Papa Texas, and this is Papa's Garden. Yeah, I haven't done a Papa's Garden lately, or this year probably. I'll show you a cool thing we did when we found the old carrots, but that's another video. I have two gardens. I have three gardens, sorry. I'm only using one this year, and I thought I would go out and just show you my garden and what I got going on. And I'm connected to a lot of gardeners on here. I'll tell you what, there's one that will be at the end of the video up in one of these corners opposite Papa. Good techniques and good information that he puts out, and I've been following him for 3 years. That's right, because he gives out good information. Anyway, we'll do that, and I don't do a lot of weeding. I do a lot of weed eating and mowing and a little bit of pulling. I'm just going to show you the small garden. I did not want to put a big one up this year. My small garden and where it stands today. All right, I'm going to get on the other side of the camera and I'm going to shoot my stuff. That didn't sound right. There's my cantaloupe. I'm a little late with my cantaloupe, but she's going to come around. She's going to come around. All right, what we got in the barrel? Look at that. Yeah, that's taters. We're growing taters in the blue barrel. I've got a video out on how to take the top off of a blue barrel. Yeah, 75,000 people watched it so far. Nice. We're going to be bringing the dirt up on this and hopefully have some taters. Oh, something's eating that. What do y'all think? Y'all can leave me comments. There's my cornfield. Yeah. You just look at that. Yeah. Look at the grass. It don't matter. Have you seen big fields of corn? There's grass in them too. Yeah. Right there. Alright, I just got these 4 cucumbers going today. I planted them just a minute ago. And let's see, I'll show you this way. So they're growing up on a pig fence, being held by that. So that's what we got going on there. And over here, we got some strawberries, we got some carrots, and then you can tell me anything you want about this. That's my tomatoes. They're not doing too well. I'll give you another view of my garden here. Alright, so as you can see, it's not real big. Don't look at that black bag. There's my cucumbers way over there. That's where I've got my corn and my blue barrel right next to my buried dog. Yeah. He's gardening for me. Yeah. Small garden. That's all I wanted this year. See ya. That's what I have for you. Hope you enjoyed that. Y'all have a great Memorial Day weekend, and don't forget what tomorrow is truly about, the fallen. And I'll be wearing my Carry the Load t-shirt that I help support. All right, God bless. See y'all later. It's Papa Texas. See ya.